Ơi mẹ ơi,
Here
lơi kia miên
is us. We are going to the waterfall
Kachanh Waterfall.
named Kachanh. Now you see me. I am walking down through the waterfall, and also I am taking a picture with a big camera. Now look at the waterfall. It's really fast and it's really slippery too. Now my dad is walking, but I already arrived to the land. My dad said be careful. Now we are crossing the stairs, and now we're like on the bridge. Now we go down the bridge. Look at the view. It's color green and have forest. Look, we are on a bridge too. Look at the waterfall. It falls really fast. You can see there's a bridge on the other side and green. Look at my dad and me. My dad and me is looking at the waterfall. Now my dad is walking, me sitting. Now my mom's coming in. And my mom asked my dad to take a picture for her. Now we're going back up. Then now we are going down through the stairs to the bridge named Spin Yol. Now we're going down the stairs. We're just up. The bridge is just up ahead, and we got like a lot of people like to take a picture there. It'll have a beautiful view. And look, the bridge like have quite a lot of algae or like some green things on it. Now look at my dad going down. My dad take a picture of me. Now we're going through the bridge and the waterfall is flowing now. And also we have like the place to take a picture too is down right over the waterfall, and also it's quite slippery to go down and up. And mostly my dad always say let me be careful, or like let me stay like that time. You know why my dad tell me to be careful? Because I don't wear proper shoes. So now we're going down through the rocks to the waterfall, and the waterfall like spread a lot of water. Here is a tree, have a lot of vine on it, and it's color blue, green, and also we have a beautiful view. Everyone like come here. And look at my mom. My mom's calling my dad. Now we're going back. And also I'm going to, but I'm the last one. Now we're walking to the other side of the bridge. And we're just coming back, and we got house, and we just got a swing. Now bye bye.